Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Buddy. Today we are going to provide you with 15 MCQs from the topic that you're seeing on your screen. So the practice of these MCQs will give you confidence and you would be able to score better in the coming NEET exams. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Who is known to have introduced the concept of crop cafeteria? Who is known to have introduced the concept of crop cafeteria? Option A, M.S. Swaminathan. Option B, Norman Borlaug. Option C, Panchanan Maheshwar. Or option D, Ramdeo Mishra. Crop cafeteria. The correct answer is option A, that is M.S. Swaminathan. Question 2. Which one of the following is not a bacterial disease? Option A, pneumonia. Option B, common cold. Option C, dysentery. Or option D, enteric fever. The correct answer is option B. Common cold is not a bacterial disease. It's caused by virus. And what's the name of the virus? Right, rhinovirus causes common cold. Pneumonia is a bacterial disease which is caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae, Haemophilus pneumonia. There are a lot of bacteria causing pneumonia. Dysentery is caused by Shigella and enteric fever is caused by Salmonella. All these are bacterial diseases, but common cold is caused by virus. Question 3. Form of plasmodium that infects humans. Option A, Sporozoites. Option B, Merozoites. Option C, Trophozoites. Or option D, Gametophytes. Form of plasmodium that is infective to human is. The correct answer is option A, Sporozoites. The sporozoites are entered with the bite of the mosquito, the female Anopheles mosquito. These sporozoites then go via the blood to the liver where they develop and the merozoites are released. These merozoites then infect the RBCs and within RBCs trophozoites are developed and RBCs releases merozoites or gametophytes, right? So trophozoites are found in RBCs. Gametophytes is found in blood which is taken up by the female Anopheles mosquito with bite and merozoites are released from livers. So the correct answer is option A, sporozoite, which enters with the bite of the mosquito. And where is sporozoite present in mosquito? Right, in the salivary gland of mosquito. Question 4. What is the location of sexual reproduction in plasmodium? Option A, salivary gland of mosquito. Option B, stomach of mosquito. Option C, liver of humans. Option D, RBCs of humans. The correct answer is option B, that is stomach of mosquito. Now, if you had paid attention to the previous question, I'd almost revealed the answer over there only. What happens in liver? Merozoites are formed and merozoites are released from the liver. What happens in RBCs? Trophozoites are formed and they are released in form of merozoites or gametophytes. Now, when the mosquito, that is the female Anopheles mosquito, bites the infected man, it intakes what? Gametophytes. These gametophytes in the stomach of the mosquito develop into male and female gamete and the fusion takes place. So where is the sexual reproduction occurring? It's in the stomach of the mosquito. Then from the stomach of the mosquito, the fertilization product, that is the zygote, as it goes on develops into sporozoites and it reaches salivary gland. And in the salivary gland of mosquito, the sporozoites are stored. So next time when this female Anopheles mosquito bites another human, it enters what? Sporozoites. Again, one more question over here. Sexual reproduction is occurring in mosquito. So what does mosquito becomes? Right, it becomes the definitive host. And what does the human becomes? He becomes the intermediate host. So remember, wherever the sexual reproduction occurs, that organism becomes the definitive host. Okay, I have already revealed the answer of this question. Question number 5. Which type of host is human with respect to malarial parasite? Option A, accidental host. Option B, intermediate host. Option C, dead end host. And option D, definitive host. Type of host human is with respect to malarial parasite. The correct answer is option B, that is humans are the intermediate host. And as I already said, definitive host is one where the sexual reproduction occurs. And where is the sexual reproduction occurring in plasmodium or in the malarial parasite? The stomach of mosquito. and humans are hence the intermediate host where there is no reproduction occurring. Question 6. Cerebral malaria, which is often fatal, is caused by option A, Plasmodium vivax, option B, Plasmodium falciparum, option C, Plasmodium malariae, or option D, Plasmodium ovale. Cerebral malaria is often fatal is caused by. The correct answer is option B, Plasmodium falciparum. Plasmodium falciparum is the most dangerous and the deadly species of Plasmodium which causes malaria. Question number 7. Wucheria bancrofti causes elephantiasis in humans. What is the source of this parasite? Option A, bite of culex, option B, bite of Ades, option C, bite of Anopheles, or option D, bite of sandfly. Wucheria bancrofti is transmitted by which of the following? The correct answer is option A, bite of a female culex. Now you can add female in front of all these. Female culex, female Ades, female Anopheles, right? Now you need to remember which diseases each of these spread. Even though I have not asked in this question, you need to know that. Culex spreads elephantiasis as the question asks. The Ades spreads, right, it spreads dengue. Anopheles spreads malaria, and sandfly spreads kala azar. Okay, so the culex spreads elephantiasis or Wucheria bancrofti, Ades spreads dengue, Anopheles spreads malaria, and sandfly spreads kala azar. Question 8. What is the valency of immunoglobulin molecule IgG? Option A, 2, option B, 4, option C, 1, or option D, 5. Valency of immunoglobulin molecule IgG. The correct answer is option A, 2. Now what does valency refers to? In an immunoglobulin, there are two variable regions and one fixed region. So the variable regions can bind to antigens. So number of antigens that a immunoglobulin molecule can bind to refers to its valency. Since there are two variable regions, each IgG can bind to two antigens, right? Two different antigens. So the valency of immunoglobulin would be 2. Now if it would have been asked valency of IgM, now the IgM is a pentameric compound. So its valency would have been 10, right? Because each molecule would have 2 and there are 5 such molecules. So the valency of IgM is 10. Remember this, valency is always an even number. Either it's 2 or it's 10, right? Question number 9. Which of the following is not a part of innate immunity? Not a part. Option A, Kupffer cells. Option B, monocytes. Option C, natural killer cells, or option D, B-lymphocytes. Which of the following is not a part of innate immunity? The correct answer is option D. B-lymphocytes are not a part of innate immunity. B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes, these are not part of innate immunity. Other than that, Kupffer cells, monocytes, neutrophils, and natural killer cells, all these are part of innate immunity. Question 10. Antibody that provides passive immunity to newborns is? Antibody that provides passive immunity to newborns. Option A, IgM. Option B, IgG. Option C, IgD, or option D, IgE. The correct answer is option B, IgG. Now remember a few things out here. IgG is the antibody that crosses placenta, hence providing passive immunity to newborn. IgA is present in colostrum. It provides immunity to the gut of the newborn. IgM is the first immunoglobulin that the infant synthesizes. So if they ask which is the antibody that infant synthesizes for the first time, that's IgM. Immunoglobulin that crosses placenta, IgG. Immunoglobulin that provides immunity to the intestinal lining, that's IgA. Why? Because it is coming from colostrum. What is the role of IgE? Right, it is associated with allergies. Question number 11. Which one of the following statements is correct with respect to immunity? The antibodies against smallpox pathogens are produced by T lymphocytes. Antibodies are protein molecules. each of which has 4 light chains. Rejection of a kidney graft is function of B lymphocytes. Preformed antibodies need to be injected to treat bite of a viper snake. Which one of the following is correct? The correct answer is option 4 is correct. Preformed antibodies or antivenoms need to be injected to treat the bite of viper snake. Question number 12. If you suspect major deficiency of antibodies in a person, to which of the following would you look for confirmatory evidence? Serum globulins, fibrinogen in plasma, serum albumins or hemocytes? Deficiency of antibody in person, which of the following would you look for confirmatory evidence? The correct answer is option 1, serum globulins. All the Igs or immunoglobulins come under serum globulin. So you will look for serum globulins in the blood. Question number 13. To which type of barrier under innate immunity do saliva in mouth and tears of the eye belong? Physical barrier, cytokine barrier, cellular barrier or physiological barrier? The correct answer is option 4. They come under physiological barrier. Question number 14. Vidal test is used for diagnosis of malaria, pneumonia, typhoid or tuberculosis. The correct answer is typhoid. Question number 15. Use of antihistamines and steroids gives a quick relief from nausea, cough, headache or allergy. The correct answer is option 4, allergy. Histamine is the chemical which is responsible for the allergic reactions. So the antihistamines remove away the histamines and the steroids are anti-inflammatory. So all these together help in reducing the allergy. So those are the MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of MCQs at this very place, this very time from the next chapter of class 12th NCERT Biology. We are doing the daily biology MCQ test series over here where we are providing you MCQs every day from one of the chapters of class 11th or class 12th NCERT Biology so that you get a lot of practice before the coming NEET exam. So we'll see you tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.